Hi guys, welcome to our channel VJ Spikes. Today's topic is on secret method of using credit card which can make you rich. We'll discuss about advantages and disadvantages of using a credit card. Credit card is an instrument given by financial institution which lets you borrow funds from a pre-approved limit to pay for your purchases. The limit is decided by the institution issuing the card based on your credit score and history. Generally, higher the score, the better the history. Higher is the limit. Billionaires also use credit cards, whereas they never need one. That's just because there are some secrets of using a credit card that can help you to become rich. By the end of this video, I'm going to share the secret of credit card which could help you become rich. Let's begin with the disadvantages of using a credit card. You all know about debit cards. It's a card which deducts the money from your bank every time you use it for making any kind of transactions. But using a credit card is like taking a quick loan from the bank where you are given an interest-free period of 50 days and you need to pay back to the bank within a billing cycle. Does that mean you can buy an aeroplane or an island using your credit card as soon as you get one? Not really. You have a preset credit limit on your card, which the bank decides basis the financials which you have provided, such as salary slip, past transaction history with the bank. So basically, a credit card is the money given to you by the bank, which is not yours, and you are going to make the payments within a stipulated time of 50 days, and you are in agreement with the bank. This plastic money makes you do an impulsive buying. For example, every shopping website you go would tempt you to buy their products, especially during festivities where you end up buying things which you don't use, like a pair of shoes, a designer wear, expensive wall paints, etc. This kind of impulsive buying is pushed further when you have a credit card, where you have the option of buying now and paying later. So if you already have such emotional issues, then better stay away from credit cards. Comment below the shopping you did recently for which you regret as you never used that product which you purchased. Credit card puts you in a lot of debts. Interest rates varies when it comes from home loan, which is around 8%, car loan, which is around 10%, personal loan is around 12%, whereas the credit card interest varies from 24% to 42% per annum. So that means if you pay up your bills on time within the billing cycle, then it is fine. You don't need to pay any interest. But if you default by just one day, then here is what it happens. Interest is being levied from day one of the transaction. Assuming you made the transaction at the beginning of the billing cycle, then you need to pay interest for 51 days and not just for the day you defaulted. Late payment charges will be levied, which would vary from one bank to another. You have to pay GST, which amounts to 18% on the interest accruals. And if you make any fresh transaction before this billing cycle closes, then you don't get an interest-free period of 50 days. It will start attracting interest from day one. Apart from this, a solid way bank makes money is on cash withdrawal through credit card. Then you start paying interest right from day one. Credit card companies encourage you to pay 5%, which is the minimum outstanding, so that they could levy high interest on the remaining outstanding amount. So just ensure whenever you pay your credit card bill, pay them on time and pay the complete outstanding amount. Credit card can spoil your credit score. A credit score is a three-digit number ranging from 300 to 900. If you want to do a business, apply for a personal loan, student loan, or a property loan, you need to have a good credit score. In India, we have CIBIL, CRIF, which keeps track of our credit score. So remember, this score should never go down. This will not go down if you make the payments on time. Basically, all the credit card bills payments should be done on time, and you need to ensure that you have a proper face value with the bank. Now let's talk about the top 4 reasons why you should have a credit card. Number 1, credit card comes with a lot of benefits. Since bank charges so much interest on credit card, so they offer benefits first in return. Depending upon the card you get reward points. Every transaction you make on a credit card gets you some reward points. Then you get no cost EMI offers on shopping site, cashback offers for a limited time on a particular product or service, complimentary launch access in airports, priority check-in at airports. In some cases, you also get insurance cover for travel. Number 2, universally accepted. Debit cards might not work everywhere. When you fly an international location, your credit card will come to your rescue as it has a global acceptance. Credit cards are widely accepted across multiple websites such as Amazon, Flipkart, Netflix, or for any online courses. Number 3, buyer protection on credit cards. RBI, or the Reserve Bank of India, has transferred the responsibility of proof of customer liability to the bank. Which means if you think you didn't do a transaction, then you can ask your credit card company to raise a dispute against that particular transaction, where you receive a temporary credit on your account until the dispute is resolved. This is for the protection of your card from any kind of fraudulent transaction. It is always advised to read the terms and conditions before opting for a credit card from the bank. Now it's the time for the secret tip. Credit card builds your credit score. One must establish his or her credit ratings. Credit score is very important number to have a face value with the bank. One of the ways to build your credit score is by using credit card. Use the card and make small transactions and pay them off before the due dates, and that too in full, no part payments. This repaying on time will build your credit score. When you have a good credit score, you can get good premiums for your insurance. You can get loans on negotiated interest rates. You will be eligible for a negotiated interest rate for a property loan, education loan, or a vehicle loan. A good credit score means a happy life. You can negotiate and get a lower interest rates on your future loans. Now is the time for the bonus tip. Expenditure on the credit card should be less than the savings in your bank. In that way, you would be able to make the payments to the credit card bills on time and would be able to keep up a good credit score. Hope you got some insights on the secrets of credit card and the way credit card needs to be used. And using this formula, you would save your wealth and you'll become rich. Until next time, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, VJ Spikes. Thank you.